Happy Tuesday and payday for us. Just unloading the last of our bins from the trailer. All these bins have to get emptied and sorted. You see all like the AC coils, rims, wire. We'll eventually get to that, eventually. And we're not going to be able to use this because when they went down the dip back there, it ripped out the wiring, it ripped out all the wiring to the cab. So this is a negative for a while. Good morning, sir. How are we doing? Oh, my girlfriend liked that. Yeah, that's pretty neat. How was your day yesterday? Moving?
It was wore out.
I bet you were.
And then we went and picked up 1,900 worth of shit.
19 what?
1,900 pounds.
Oh, nice.
My son and I.
Son-in-law, right?
No, son.
So, oh, okay. Okay. Yep, maybe if you want. You went out back, right? And if anybody didn't hear me yesterday, the new contest will be ladders. And Nacho won it. So, Nacho won my contest. That's like the second time now he's won.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. So we want to do light? Yep.
Where do you take these though? Because I can't find anything that's magnetic.
There's what?
There's nothing magnetic on any of them.
Stainless.
Stainless?
Yeah.
I like it.
Even the bottom?
Even the bottom.
I got to eventually dump this thing somewhere. I don't want to dump it into the pile, but then, you know, Miguel's got a bunch of stuff he still has to sort. That's cute. I'm not Jewish though.
I'm not either.
Those are some small candles.
Right?
Somebody might like that. What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Looks like a little TV stand, maybe.
I have that same thing at home.
Do you really?
Yep.
That's my son-in-law was moving and he didn't want it, so I took it. These motors.
And that's it?
That's it.
You're not gonna do your wire?
Where am I at? See
One-
if we-
119, I think. Yeah, 119. And then a pound of motors. Right, let's see if we can pick up this trailer so he can back under it. That's what I'm guessing. I don't know if she'll do it, but we're gonna find out, maybe. Where?
I guess I don't have to get all the way under before you pull out.
Yeah, but she did it. landing gear's broken, which is why.
Set it down.
Good deal. Weight into the bed. Then I think we're gonna come back and get this little shear. Look at this little shear. I think it's so cool, man. Got a little alligator shear, David. Shear. Couple cycles in. Day. Chop, chop. 500 pounds of chop, you know, whatever it is. all day long. One more cycle. There you go. Hydraulics right there. Do a little bit of fill some bins a little bit, and he asked me. I'm hoping they do get us that new machine because that's annoying. Spread it out a little more. And don't hit his fan. That's one of the biggest things now that I have to watch out for is the fan. Cut that off. Actually, I can't do that because we got to get the. Oh, they came. Oh, nice. This John Deere. I know you guys be like, no, but boss said he wanted it gone, so can't hold on to everything, you know. Oh, we got some gas in there. At least we're on concrete, so. And see now, if he would have cut into that, that would have been that. Dries up anyway, so if that was diesel, it'd be a different story, but and there she is, John Deere. Right. 'em. Let's go see what they're doing. All right, let's go see what they're doing. 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 Let Hey, Jonathan. How's it going?
I got radiators and condensers.
You got your helper today?
We have a helper with me today.
Is she the boss?
She is the boss.
Yeah. She's like, no, I'm not the boss. Ooh, man, it's hot.
It's a little warm today, Jeff.
It's been a little warm this week.
I know.
Like, we're supposed to be getting into fall.
Yeah, I know.
Not,
That's why we got hurricanes still coming.
yeah, that's a bad hurricane.
Yep.
I think that's steel.
Is it steel?
Yeah.
Yep. Throw it up. I'm not going back.
Well, that's for your next load.
Yeah, it's fine. That should go aluminum.
This stuff's gonna go right there.
The EH one?
Yep. Does she work on cars with you?
Pressure too?
That'll go in between the bins.
Okay.
Does she work on cars?
Sometimes she helps.
You help?
Yeah, I did my own brakes, we didn't die.
That's a good thing.
Put it down?
Yeah.
She makes sure I don't die and that I'm clean, because I'm a mess when I work.
Yeah?
I'm sloppy, bro.
Like me?
Yep.
Like,
I should work here. That probably fit right in.
you should start a YouTube channel.
What's that?
You should start a YouTube channel.
No, I really should. I need to make some money.
So you can show like how to fix cars and,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, there's a couple guys that do it. They do pretty well.
I'm recording now.
This?
Yeah.
It's like a harness.
Yeah. But
And this I think is steel.
this is gonna go right here.
There's 4 of them. Is that all good?
Yep.
Just like
yep.
that?
Yep. Yep.
Last bin?
Yep.
Got it.
Oh.
Then that engine.
Copper.
Where do I put it?
Just hold on. Let me
Not
get that.
heavy, but
We can pick it up?
yeah.
Okay.
Me and my son put it in.
Okay. Let's pick up an engine by hand. It's not gonna weigh. Yeah, you can throw it. We're gonna go right here.
This one's going there?
Yep.
Got it.
Can we-
You want to do it there?
Yeah.
Got it.
Ready? 1, 2. Oh, this ain't nothing.
Nah, it's mostly aluminum. The only thing that's really steel is the
It's a crank. Yep.
There you go.
166 pounds.
Cool.
Whew. Come on. You got money for a date night.
What's that?
You got money for a date night.
Dude, that's tomorrow.
That's tomorrow?
We got date night money tomorrow.
Here we are going out to the tin pile, saying bye-bye to Mr. John Deere. Hey, look who it is. Probably throwing TVs in there. So much trash. Bye-bye, John Deere. Bye-bye. Those are the numbers that We gotta take pictures of this thing being destroyed so it can't be used again. He pokes holes in the trailer and stuff and flattens down the roof. Alright, so this is the start of our load. Gotta put a band around the box. I don't like our bander. Wish there was an easier way of doing it, but after this, I'm gonna load some aluminum shavings next to it because I don't want to put the box of electric motors and this side by side right on the front of the trailer. I mean, that's not good. That's a lot of weight. This was 4,522 pounds. And I bet if I hopped in the Daewoo, I bet I could get at least half a box from the pile. This is the first. I'll have to put it right behind on this side. But I gotta find something small to fit there. Because I don't think that box of shavings will fit. So, I don't know. But let's go deal with Nacho now. No swearing. No swearing. What? No swearing. It's on. Now, after he leaves, I'll
This box is upside down.
doesn't matter. It's the same.
And you put a pallet underneath, don't you?
Yeah, I gotta get a blue pallet. Hey, you can only do that if you're. You can only do that if you're selling it here, sir. I know, it's not nice to clean metals when you don't sell it to me.
Hey, that's the price I'll tell you.
So what do you want? I want you to pick something because I don't want to choose someone by default. I don't like doing that. This came in, are you?
No, because I'm not Jewish. I don't need that.
Okay, how about we put this on your car?
I want that.
You know what that is? It's a Packard, I think.
I don't know. I like it though.
That's cool though, right?
Yeah, I like that.
Don't scrap it.
No.
Put that on the Ford. Google search that, tonight if you can, see, because I'm pretty sure that's off like a 1940s Packard, somewhere in that range. I'm sure people in the comments will say something.
Someone can help us out.
Can you zero that?
Say what?
Can you zero that?
Yeah,
Negative 4,000, so you owe me money, okay? Oh, you're one of the nice ones. Who does that? Who does that?
You have a size 14 yet?
I don't have a drill. Mine's like where it's made for sockets.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, I got here. Yeah, this is. Whoop. You got 3 on there. You got
And I don't have my adapter too. Whoever was using my impact did not do the adapter. They did not put the adapter back on. And understand these people don't put their tool back. See, like now I'm missing. People. No, I don't have one. Half inch, that's a 9/16. Don't worry about it, okay. What does that say? 48 on your seat?
Yeah. I didn't see you like yesterday, dude.
The same one?
It looks bigger.
Let's see what unit. That's right. 248. Don't forget his motors or we'll get screamed at.
Going as light as most of that metal. Going as light as most of the metal.
You know, hey. Somebody suggested to how many times Matt will complain for a contest in a month.
Oh, you couldn't keep track of that. That's too big of a number, man.
More than fingers and toes. 44.
I know, you're not done yet.
With heavy?
It's gonna go heavy or light.
Transmission.
Oh, okay.
What's that? We're gonna have to drop your gate because I can't get through here.
Pick it up, Jeffy. It's not that heavy.
Well,
Want some help?
sure. 4 hands are always better than 2.
Tag team.
1, 2. It's 116. 100. Yeah, 116. 156. 14,014 pennies, sir. Your motor, your sealed unit, your heavy, and the tranny. That's it, right?
I think so.
Okay.
I'll let the viewers know.
Ah. They will.
My brain's not working. I'm too hot. Why did the kangaroo lose the basketball game?
It's got to do with his pouch. Son of a Joey.
He ran out of bounds.
I ran out of bounds. That's just too stupid. That's dumb.
Some of these are long. We're gonna have to
So
go
some
through
of
the
these,
long
no, I don't want to do. Why didn't the skeleton go to the ball?
Because he had no clothes.
Close. He had nobody to dance with.
Nobody to dance with. What kind of food do math teachers eat?
What kind of food do math teachers eat? Equations.
Square meals.
Square meals. When does your dinner never get hot?
When you're having cold cuts?
No. When it's chilly.
Nice chili. What never moves, has no feet, but wears shoes?
What never moves, has feet.
Has no feet, but wears shoes.
Yeah, I don't know. I know it's something easy.
A sidewalk.
A sidewalk. Why were the Cheerios scared of the man?
Because he's gonna eat them?
Because he's a serial killer.
He's a serial killer. Oh, yeah.
A good little load, Richard. That's a good little load, right? Freebie?
Oh, yeah.
It's a freebie, right?
Yeah. No, it's free. All of them.
Free scrap is good scrap. Blocked. You been watching football at all?
Oh yeah. Did you see that
I watched a game. I watched.
Buffalo and the Ravens?
Oh, that was a good game.
Man, them Ravens wasn't gonna let them beat them no more.
Derrick Henry, first play, busted right through.
87 yards.
Yep. Loved it. I'm not a Bills fan because they were in my division, so that's
Miami?
no Patriots.
Okay, Patriots, yeah.
Yeah, that's staying, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's going to Scott.
Where?
Scott.
Oh, Scott. I'm not going to throw that over your cab. That's clean. Motor mounts. I won't throw that one. That one's too heavy. It's dirty.
Yeah, they put this stuff in the dumpster and they give it to me.
That's nice. But you have to go and get it, right?
Oh yeah.
That
No.
was
Yeah,
heavy.
somebody else.
White. That's
I've
what.
been going to get it for 10 years, so you know,
Yeah.
I don't give nobody no room to get it.
Good. What's silver at? 32?
34.
34?
Almost 34, $33.62, something like that. That's what it was. I don't know what it is.
I haven't looked in a couple days.
It's steady going up, though.
That's good for us.
Oh, yeah.
All right. And
It's still over here.
yep.
Yeah, it's still over here.
Oh yeah. Motor?
Yeah,
Got
all
one?
that. Yeah, I'm on.
Motor right here. This one. That one sticks.
Sticks, okay.
Yeah. Heavy. Heavy.
This one here, pretty
That's-
much clean.
Yeah. All right. I don't want the winch. I don't want the winch. That's too much stuff.
Okay.
All right, we'll do your heavy next. You got like 2 pieces there. 138 on light. Yep. 12. Let's get the copper so I don't forget his motors. Radiators. Got like 3 of them, right?
Yeah.
Radiators.
What about,
Radiators.
this exclusive, huh?
Yeah, this pays more. The radiators don't. This is like clip. You ever heard of MLC or clip?
Yeah.
That's what that is.
Oh, okay.
But that pays more than aluminum. So
Oh, okay.
yeah. 22. There's some clip right there. I'll do the bumper. Bumper now. 8, 6, 6.
Okay.
Is that it?
Okay. Oh, I got some grass here.
Dirty brass. Dirty brass, 1 pound, 16 on that. 16. Like $64.
I was finna say 60 bucks. I was right on.
Hey, free money is for you. How far do you have to drive?
Nowhere.
Yeah. Test this. Put your finger right here. Got a bunch of these in. Some people are just leaving too much on there. They probably lost at least $6. Couple pounds of copper is $6, 6 to 7 bucks, depending where you are in the country. See that thing just ripping my finger open. Nope. One more. This guy right here.